Some of y'all are walking around with bruises nobody can see because you learned how to smile with a limp. You laugh, you work, you post, you show up, but deep down, you're bleeding in places nobody claps for. Welcome to the dungeon, where we don't hide the wounds, we heal them. Let's be real for a second. Physical pain, that's easy. You get a cast, a bandage, a pill, a doctor, and you're good. But emotional pain, trauma, rejection, that one heartbreak you still haven't forgiven, those scars don't come with instruction. Some of you got hurt so quietly that even the people closest to you have no clue you're still recovering. Invisible doesn't mean imaginary. Just because nobody else saw it doesn't mean it didn't happen. Just because you don't talk about it every single day doesn't mean that you're over it. Pain has a funny way of hiding, not because it's shy, but because it's stubborn. And the dangerous thing about invisible wounds is this: people think you're okay because you're good at pretending. These wounds show up in all kinds of ways. Childhood hurts you never unpacked, words spoken over you that you believed, people who mishandled your heart, parents who didn't know how to love you right, churches that judged you instead of healing you, friends who switched up for no reason, seasons where you felt abandoned, failures you never forgave yourself for, and every one of those hits leaves a mark, even if the world can't see it. So how are invisible wounds affecting you today? You ever snapped at somebody, and when you calmed down, you said, "My bad, that wasn't even about you"? That's a wound talking. You ever pushed away a good person because someone bad hurt you? That's a wound. You ever sabotage something healthy because you're used to chaos? That's a wound with a PhD. Some of y'all don't need a new relationship. You need a bandage and a quiet room. But in the dungeon, we heal. And you need to hear this. Healing is not cute. It's not aesthetic. It's not a candle and some soft music. Nah. Healing is messy. Healing is honesty. Healing is work. So let me give you a couple of steps that's going to help you on the healing process, because that's what we do in the dungeon. Step number 1, acknowledge the pain. You can't heal what you won't admit. Stop saying, "I'm fine," when you're clearly not. Step 2, stop protecting the wound. Some of us defend the very thing that damaged us. We call trauma personality. We call survival strength. Sometimes you're not strong, you're just numb to it. Step 3, invite God in. I don't know if you're spiritual, but on this channel, we heal with spirituality as well. Wounds that are invisible to people are perfectly clear to Him. He doesn't wait for you to be whole. He heals you while you're still limping. Step 4, let time do its part. You didn't get wounded in a day, so stop expecting to be healed in a week. And here's the last thing: replace isolation with community. Dungeon community. You don't have to bleed alone. Find people who don't flinch when you're honest with them. Some of you are walking masterpieces, but you've been treating yourself like a broken draft. You were wounded, but you're still here. You were hurt, but you didn't quit. You were cracked, but the light still got in. You are more healed than you think, and closer to whole than you even realize. Let me say this very clearly. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to cry. You are allowed to heal. You are allowed to move forward without carrying the whole story. Invisible wounds don't make you weak. They make you human. And healing doesn't mean the pain never happened. It means it doesn't control you anymore. I'm walking with you through this process. And if nobody told you today, I'm proud of the progress that you're making. Welcome to the healing. Welcome to the dungeon. Like the video, join the community, and share it to someone who needs help. I'll see you in the next one.